Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jahal Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government, Adorsho Women's College. Today, we are going to study HSC 2022, assignment number 3, with third week, subject English second paper, topic juvenile delinquency. This is an assignment prescribed by the Ministry of Education, Directorate of Secondary and Higher Education for the students of first year who are going to appear at the HSC examination in 2022, because we are passing through the very hard time in pandemic situation, COVID-19. So students are advised to write down the assignments each week. In English, you have to write 10 assignments. Already we have completed 2 assignments. Now it is going to be third assignment. The topic of the assignment, juvenile delinquency, that is Kishore Aparadh. Now let us discuss the problems and what are the solutions of juvenile delinquency, that is Kishore Aparadh কি এবং কিভাবে সমাধান করা যায়, because nowadays it is very alarming situation in Bangladesh. Many children are committing crimes and doing something against the law. So juvenile delinquency is very important subject for the present context of time. Now let us discuss the cause and effects of juvenile delinquencies. Juveniles are the most significant segment not only in Bangladesh but also to the global society. They are regarded as the leaders of tomorrow. So when they are treated well in a bona fide way, in a manner that even the society will feel comfortable for the betterment of the future generation, while if the society fails to accommodate them and give them such cares, sometimes when they feel segregated, they react sharply to any antisocial activity, in the sense that they stand for their own right. Indeed, lack of parental attention, scarcity of basic needs, and any other social feelings of unhappiness, worry and disappointment that they might experience at their tender age touches them so deeply. Many of them cannot cope with the abnormal situation. They respond to social anomalies in ways that are not approved by social norms and law. At times, the elderly ones who are well experienced in crime misguides the young folks by forming them a gang in order to commit the type of crime they want, either individually or collectively. The main objectives of the topic are to identify the causes of juvenile delinquencies. Identify the causes of juvenile delinquencies. এই কিশোর অপরাধের কারণগুলি আইডেন্টিফাই করা ইন বাংলাদেশ কনটেক্সট, বাংলাদেশের প্রেক্ষাপটে, অ্যালং উইথ দ্য জাস্টিস সিস্টেম অফ ইট, এবং এর সাথে কী কী বিচারিক সিস্টেম আছে। Another aim of the topic is to alleviate or abolish the frequent juvenile delinquency in Bangladesh. আমাদের আরও উদ্দেশ্য যাতে আমরা সহজে এই কিশোর অপরাধ থেকে মুক্তি পেতে পারি। By providing some recommendations, by joining hands together of parents as well as government. Now we have to identify some causes of juvenile delinquencies. Identify the socio-demographic characteristics of the delinquency. Socio-economic characteristics, socio-demographic characteristics of this delinquency. Behaviors of juveniles along with the types of delinquency. To know different types of theories related to juvenile delinquencies. To assess the attitude on juveniles among delinquency and impacts to Bangladesh society. Meaning of juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency, known as juvenile offending or youth crime, with participation in illegal behavior by juveniles. Most legal systems prescribe a specific procedure for dealing with juveniles, such as juvenile detention centers and courts. A juvenile delinquent is a person who is typically under the age of 18. 18 বছর নিচে যায় তাকে জুভেনাইল ডিলিকুয়েন্স হিসাবে ট্রিট করা হয় and commits an act that otherwise would have been charged as a crime if they were an adult. Depending on the type and severity of the offense committed, persons under 18 can be charged as tried as adults. Moreover, we can also consider juvenile delinquency as blameworthy child, blameworthy minor, culpable youth, derelict adolescent, derelict inexperienced person, derelict junior, immature youngster, misbehaving teenager, miscreant, misguided teen, misguided young person, neglectful, pledging, offending immature person, violator underage, young wrongdoer. Now, a juvenile delinquent is a young person, incorrigible or habitually disobedient. The Penal Code 1860, 1860 সালের পেনাল কোড অনুসারে অ্যাক্টস অফ ডিলিকুয়েন্সি মে ইনক্লুড নিচের কার্যগুলি জুভেনাইল ডিলিকুয়েন্ট হিসাবে স্বীকৃত, কিশোর অপরাধ হিসেবে স্বীকৃত: রানিং অ্যাওয়ে ফ্রম হোম উইদাউট দ্য পারমিশন অফ প্যারেন্টস, those running away from home without the permission of parents, পিতামাতার অনুমতি ছাড়া বাড়ি থেকে চলে যাওয়া; habitual truancy beyond the control of parents, spending time idly beyond limits, use of vulgar languages, wandering about railroads, streets, marketplaces, visiting gambling centers, committing sexual offences, shoplifting and stealing, etc. Main causes of juvenile delinquency: family environment and peer influence. Family factors which may have influence on offending include the level of parental supervision, the way parents discipline a child, particularly harsh punishment, parental conflict or separation, criminal parents or siblings, parental abuse or neglect, and the quality of the parental relationship. Children brought up by lone parents are more likely to start offending than those who live with the two natural parents. It also more likely than children of single parents. The Convention of the Right of the Child 1989. However, once the attachment of a child feels towards their parents, what are the causes of juvenile delinquency? The main causes of juvenile delinquency in Bangladesh perspective are ল্যাক অফ প্যারেন্টাল কন্ট্রোল, পিতামাতার কন্ট্রোল, পোভার্টি, দারিদ্রতা, ব্রোকেন ফ্যামিলি, ভগ্ন পরিবার, সোশ্যাল ট্রানজিকশন, মাইগ্রেশন, সারাউন্ডিং এনভায়রনমেন্ট অ্যান্ড কোম্পানি, peer influence, action movie, প্রোবেশন অ্যান্ড রিহ্যাবিলিটেশন, কীভাবে তাদেরকে রিহ্যাবিলিটেট করা যায়, পানিশমেন্ট অফ জুভেনাইল ডেলিকুয়েন্টস, বিচারের ক্ষেত্রে দ্য ক্যারেক্টার অ্যান্ড এজ অফ দ্য চাইল্ড, দ্য সার্কমস্টেন্সেস ইন হুইচ দ্য চাইল্ড ইজ লিভিং, দ্য রিপোর্ট মেড বাই দ্য প্রোবেশন অফিসার, such other materials requires to be taken into consideration in the interest of the child. To address the challenges of juvenile delinquencies, there is need to analyze the existing policies so as to scale up the implementation of the policies. There are three correctional institutions in Bangladesh. That is Ghazipur, Kashimpur and Jessore. Conclusion: juvenile delinquencies prevention from Bangladesh is the broad term for all the effects aimed of prevention of youth from becoming involved in criminals and other antisocial activities. Because the development of delinquency in youth is influenced by numerous factors. Prevention services may include activities such as substance abuse education and treatment, family educational support, and youth sheltering, increasing availability and use of planning services, including education and contraceptives, help to reduce unintended pregnancy. Thank you.